we have set S is equals to Z belongs to this 4Z square plus Z conjugate is equals to 0. Z represents the complex number here, and we need to find this expression, summation of all the Z's in this set S, whatever we will get from this expression, and summation of all this for all of these Z's, summation of their magnitudes. Mod Z square represents the magnitude of that complex number. To solve it, first we will evaluate this expression. We'll assume Z is equals to X plus Iy, standard complex number. For 4Z square plus Z conjugate, we'll write it as this. After expanding this as square, it will be X square minus Y square minus 2xy, and conjugate will be X minus Iy. So after solving this, we'll get this as the real part and this as the imaginary part after separating it. So we are given this as 0, so real part should also be 0 and imaginary part should also be 0. So by equating it to 0 separately, if we see it here, we get two values. By equating 0 to the imaginary part, we get y equals to 0 and x equals to 1 by 8. So we get two cases basically. So case 1 will be y equals to 0. From there we will get x is equals to 0 or x is equals to minus 1 by 4 after putting in this expression. This expression we get by equating real part to the 0. From there we will get to, after putting these values of x and y, we will get two complex numbers, z equals to 0 and z equals to minus 1 by 4. And from this case also, x equals to 1 by 8, after putting it in this expression, we will get y square equals to 3 by 64. From there also we get two values of y, so we will get two complex numbers, z1 and z2. Magnitude of both of them will be summation of x square plus y square. So x square will be 1 by 64 and y square is 3 by 64. So 1 by 16 will be the magnitude of both these complex numbers. In total we have 4 complex number of this expression. So total 4 complex number belongs to this set S. So for each of this complex number we need to find magnitude, sum of the magnitude of those complex numbers. So the answer will be 0 magnitude of this, 1 by 16 magnitude of this, and 1 by 16 magnitude of these two. So sum 2 times. So 0 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16, z1 and z2, and the answer will be 3 by 16.